Let's take you over here. So excuse the dirt, hasn't been cleaned obviously, but overall you can still see, well, it's fully coated still, you can still see the full shine underneath on the underside of the vehicle.
So we'll start by having a look under here. So I sprayed the main chassis rails, and before these were a kind of rusty, surface rust sort of brown, and you can see the chassis itself has been coated quite nicely.
Even Gwyn Lewis said the shock absorbers will rust, and the springs, which we all know the paint comes off them, it says they will rust definitely, and so far absolutely perfect, because obviously I blathered them all in the Lanoguard.
You'll see on this one, you can see there the protection is afforded still, so why would I want to remove that? So if I just scratch deeply into that, you can see that is well adhered, so I don't want to remove that.